I imagine you can probably hear in my voice that I'm not feeling super well. So I'm gonna attempt to do chinging while I'm perhaps a little bit more sensitive. I think it might just make me cough a lot. But hopefully I'll get the symptom that I actually want out of this. We'll see if it goes okay. I've wanted to record stuff for a while now, but my boyfriend now works from home, so I don't have a lot of opportunity to be alone. But he's at the movies right now, which I was going to go myself, but not feeling great. So I might as well get something out of it. Okay. I feel like that just went straight to my throat. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, my voice is like gone. Fuck. Usually I sneeze a bunch of times when I do Chingy. This isn't quite getting me where I want to go. I'm gonna try to do a little bit more of it. If I can get it in my face. Y'all know that Chingy means sneezing in Hindi, right? That's why they call it that. Okay. I think it might work this time. I feel like I'm gonna sneeze. Let me see. Or maybe just cough some more. And I can definitely feel it tickles. Okay, let's put some on the other side of my nose. Oh man, you just kind of have to sniffle a few times, and like you feel a little bit more. Oh god. Fuck, I'm a complete mess today. Oh. Oh fuck, I better start fucking sneezing soon. Oh my goodness. Okay. There we go. Okay, That's what I was trying to get to. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, it's really killing my throat. This was probably a excuse me, this is probably not a great idea. Oh my goodness. But I'm gonna continue to do it anyway. Oh god. Sorry, I need to blow my nose. Oh god, that was gross. Oh man. When you take this stuff, it's an interesting color when you blow your nose. Sorry, it's kind of gross. Oh, okay. I don't think I'm done yet. Let me see. Oh my god. Oh god. Okay. Oh. Okay, that might be it for me. I'm gonna go drink some tea.